Okay. In this question, sizodiscussa statistics. This question ivela la from KZN Prelim, the preliminary examination abayibhala last year, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Check out the description box for other links for questions recorded for this question paper, as well as a link to another YouTube channel for our lessons kuphela. Check it out as well. Check it out. Now, lagu question 1, the weight in kilograms of 20 boys in the soccer squad of school A are given below. 40, 47, 51, 53 is just a string of values or data sets, right? So abafana abayi-20 babawile, now ama-weights wakhona basipha wona, right? 1.1 but calculate the 1.1.1 the mean weight of the boys in this soccer squad. So sifuna the average. Basically it's the mean or the average, but usually sisebenzisa the word mean esikhathini esiningi. Nabathi average ungacakeki ke. Now 1.1.1, so sifuna ini x bar. How do we calculate it? Means add wonke lama values, and then I can see that ama boys wamaingaki I20. So I just add all the values and divide by the total number of the boys in school A. But you can do this by inserting wonke lama values lawa into a calculator. So already bese ngwa fagile la ku calculator yam, so na data set yam, all the values are la ku calculator. AC shift 1 ngifuna okay, is it variance? Yeah, now 2, number 2 ngifuna x bar. So x bar is equal to 57.75 kilograms. This is the mean or the average weight of this soccer squad. This is alagu 1.1.2. Sifuna the standard deviation ke manje. Using the same data set engifakile siyalapha ku variance. Sifuna ini standard deviation, which is number 3, which is 6.74. So the standard deviation is equal to 6.74 in 2 decimal places. So onke lama values wami ngizowa round off to 2 decimal places. Abasitsheli la kule question, right? But just make sure ukuthi you read the instruction page kuloka ku question paper yakho. Izokutshela everything ukuthi ama answers wakho around off to how many decimal places, ne? Make sure ukuthi ufunda ama instructions, ungavela ugijime nje ubhale iphepha lapha. Alright, now determine the number of boys that have a weight within 1 standard deviation of the mean. So 1 standard deviation, it's actually a limit. Should I call it that? A limit. There's an upper and a lower limit, ne? So the upper limit, see calculator, so for 1 standard deviation now it's x bar minus standard deviation. This is the lower bar, I mean the lower limit. Then sibano x bar plus the standard deviation, which is the higher limit or the upper limit, right? So this is what we call a 1 standard deviation, ne? So sifuna ukwazi ukuthi bangaki abafana aba within 1 standard deviation. So we have to calculate the limit, ne? The lower and the upper one. So asiye ke manje. So sizoti x bar calculated over 57.75 minus the standard deviation, which is 6.74. Then siyabuya ke sithi x bar of 57.75 plus 6,74 sithola ngayiki ke kesibona 57,75 minus 6,74 51,01 then siyabuya calculator the other one just ngiyochintsha sign la ngithi plus 64.49 64,49 right. So this is my one standard deviation, lower limit, upper limit. So sifuna ukwazi ukuthi bangaki abafana aba between the weights, this weight ka 5.01 no 64.49. Kumele sicounte all the values up between 51 and 64 lana on the given table, right? Aswabale ke kumele ibe above ubani 51 but ibe lower than 64. Let's see. 60 bani, let's do this. 53 sharp 1 2 3 4 5 6 to less than, yeah, 9 is 64 less than 64.49? Yes. 66 or above the upper limit as well as 69. So then we count 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 20 minus 6 is 4. So sina 14 boys are within one standard deviation. So our answer, it should be 14 boys la. Go 1.2. Then siya go 1.3 ke manje. 1.3. So the following information was obtained from the coach of the soccer squad of school B. Okay. Coach waku soccer waku squad of school B uzothola ukuthi mathematician waya representa information yakhe ngalendlela le. Well, uma uyibhekile at first glance ungacabanga ukuthi man, this thing lena, do I have to apply iloganje ama formulas or ama number patterns? Is this a sum of a geometric or an arithmetic pattern? You might think that, but ungathukwa, this is just a formula nje. This is sigma, angisho. Sigma just umina ukuthi sum of sigma of xn, meaning that school B, the coach has added ama weights wala bantwana as well, wathola this value, right? So it starts where it starts from 1 iphelele kubani ku 22, right? Phelela kubani ku 22, phelela ku 22. So la ku 1.3.1 basibuza how many boys are in the school B squad. Bayingaki? So it's n. Nangabe apply the knowledge esiyaziyo ngama number patterns. We know that it's the upper value minus the lower value plus 1. 1 cancels 1. Sisala no 22. So it's 22 boys in total. Not box, boys. Boys. 22 boys. So lana go 1.3.2 bafunani again. Calculate the mean weight of a boy in the soccer squad of school B. The mean weight. So sifuna the mean ke manje. Sifuna ubani x bar, which is equal to 1320 divided by 22. Sithola answer ke 1320 divided by 22. Answer ubani 60. Sithola 60 ke la. 60 kilogram. This is our answer la. Now last question, 1.4. 1.4. All right. 1.4. Okay. Lana bati assume that the mean weight of the boys in the soccer squad at school B is 60 kilogram. School B, bestila no school B la. So the mean weight is 60 kilogram. By the way, this is the same value as calculated lagu 1.3.2. 5 boys of equal weight are added to school A. So we are back to school A. See, add 5 more boys la. Right? 5 more boys are added of equal weight are added to school A squad, so that the means of both school squads are the same. Calculate the weight of each of these 5 boys. Assume that the weight of the boys in the school squad in school B is 60. School A are added so that okay. Alright again. So lana ke ne school A usakhumbula ukuthi sithole ngaki la. Sithole ukuthi imini yethu la ku school A it's x bar equal to 57.75. I think ibhale la this one, right? So now you add 5 more boys la. Boom, 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 boom. Of course, nangabe the mean for school B and the mean for school A azoba the same. Ngoba I'm adding up la. Ne? Ngoba I am adding 5 more boys. So now you add the mean yaga school A izokhuphuka, and then ayikhuphuka kwamele ilingane nani ne mean kabani ka school B. Basitshela but okay, nangabe I'm adding 5 more boys la, the mean izo increase lapha ku school A, so that lama means azofana for both school A and school bani school B. Calculate the weight of each of these 5 boys. Ungakhohlwa lama weights ayenzani ayalingana. So as represented, the new added weights are equal la kulo kanje ku school A as x. So I'm adding x for boy 1, add umunye x for boy 2, x for all the 5 boys. So our x abayingaki abay 5, right? So bheka ke manje la. Back. Let's go back la to calculator yethu. Sithi shift sithi 4, then okay, izongishaya la this thing. Izongishaya la. But let's see lapha ku 4. I'm looking for a value man la. I'm looking for a value, but sizoyithola nangaba siyithole asiyitholi. But some 3. Right, number 2. Nazo. Okay. This is what I'm looking for. But I think explain ukuthi le value la ephumela kule calculator so isebenzisa kuphi. So you recalculate food, but let's do this. So since ngifuna the weight of the new boys, it's actually 5x, right? 5x plus the weights of labantwana abayi-20 la ku school bani school A laba. Ngifuna lama values le nang-add le ngakhohlwa so la ku 1.1.1 azange siwa add manually, we used the calculator, so we didn't get the total value yala phezulu. Yabona? So kwamele ngibuyele la ku calculator so that I can find the value for all the values, now the sum of all these values. So sizothi shift stat siya ku sum, not variance ke ma, siya la kubani ku sum 3, siya ku number 2, it's the sum of x, which is number 2 equal to 1155. Then si divide by what? By 25. Says add 5 more boys, so it's 20 plus 5. So divide by 5. The new mean yoba equal to 60. Remember? 60. So since it's for calculate to x, we had to set up the equation. So set up ngale I'm adding 5 more boys with equal weights to the already 20 boys abasipama weights wakhona, divided by the total number of the boys equal to the mean. Basitshela ukuthi lama mean for school B no school A azolingana, so that's why siba no 60 la. Then we do what? We cross multiply so that this will calculate to x, about 5x, 1155. What is 20 plus 25 times 60? Ngithola 1500. So 5x yoba equal to 1500 minus 1155, not 555. What's wrong with you? 1155 equal to 345. So 5x is equal to 345 divided by 5 divided by 5 for x over equal to divided by 5 until 69. So each of the new boys are by 5 by weight 69 kilograms. So this is our answer for question 1. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you told some value. So for now, guys, I'm signing out. But there are other links in the description box for other recordings for this prelim KZN abayibhala ngo-2022. So for now, bye bye. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ukushare, nokusubscribe. Peace.